This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. Located on over 1/3 acre with no HOA in Apopka, Florida. The 0.37 acre with a fully fenced-in yard with multiple driveways.l. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an open floor plan spread out over 1,524 square feet. You walk right into the dining room, which leads right into the kitchen. The kitchen has all stainless steel appliances and has an eat-in space in the kitchen. The living room is huge and features a fireplace. The master bedroom is on one side of the house and the other 2 bedrooms are on the other side of house. The 3 bedrooms are spacious and have huge closets. The screened-in porch, situated in the rear of the home, features a huge overlook of the yard. Come see the home today. For more information, review the details below.